So we decided to go with the Cooler Master 692 basic case, which takes into account great cable management options. Up to 9 fans can be installed in this case, and it just looks appealing, and its best feature, well, its price. To power up the beast, we decided to go with the 650 watt power supply from XFX. This is a XXX edition with modular sleeved cables, and overall appearance of this power supply can be compared to a tank. Now the motherboard is an AM3 878 from Gigabyte, which will house the quad-core Phenom 2X4 955 Black Edition CPU. Now you cannot go wrong with memory from Corsair. This is a 4GB dual channel memory kit clocked at 1333 MHz with 1.5 volts. We also have an Ngenius 300 MB/s wireless and USB adapter. The hard drive we are using is Western Digital Blue 1TB for operating system and storage as well. And the final piece of this build, which is going to be powering up all the games, is the GTX 460 Hawk Edition from MSI. This is a 1GB version which I will overclock for maximum performance, and it will deliver outstanding results. Our operating system will be Windows 7 64-bit, and this is going to be one kick-ass gaming rig. So stay tuned for benchmarking and more.